What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. So everybody's clowning this new six-pack. I ain't surprised. When I saw the video on TK's channel, I knew everybody was going to start making a video. I said, let me go ahead and chime in on this because I know everybody's going to be on joke time. Everybody wants to clown that car. But here's the thing, though, guys. But before we get into that, let me just do this. Let me just play it for those who haven't seen it. Now, I mean, you got to realize that that is the inline six, and I don't know why people acting so surprised. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's easy to come on a video and joke and laugh about the car, but there are some people who actually want that car. I'm not saying it's going to outsell the Hemi. I'm not saying that, it's the best thing they ever invented, but they got to have some different cars to sell to different people. Everybody don't want a Hemi. Like, everybody's not super overexcited about a Hemi. I am. That's what I prefer. But think about it, guys. Just think about the wave right now. BMWs, Infinities, those type of cars. Those are the cars that are super hot on YouTube. Those are the cars that, not the people that's my age, not us, the crowd that car will attract, they ready for something like that. Because like I said, the BMW, that's the new wave. Everybody's buying those cars. So by Dodge coming out with just inline six, now if they can get all the kinks and stuff worked out, where this car doesn't have any issues, I think it'll probably do pretty well, personally, if they price it right. If they overprice it, I don't know. And from what I understand, I think this car is all-wheel drive. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? I don't know a whole lot about this inline six. I haven't done a lot of research because I'm not interested in it. I'm a Hemi guy myself, but I understand that, every car has its place. You understand what I'm saying? Because if that was the case, that everybody just wanted Hemis, none of these other cars will sell. I think there's room for everybody. I think there's going to be a crowd for this car. I think the Hemi would do well. So to just come on this video and just, laugh at the car, say it sound like crap. Yeah, I mean, it don't sound the best. But I'm pretty sure, after some modifications and the final version come out, I think it may sound a little better. No, it don't sound like a Hemi because it's not a Hemi. You know what I'm saying? It's not a Hemi. It is what it is, the inline six. And we already knew this. But the generation and the crowd that this car is going to attract, they don't care. They really don't care. What they care about is being able to tune this car, being able to make it super fast without costing them a whole lot of money. And I'm not sure how heavy this car is going to be. If they can find a way to make this car a little lighter and it's all-wheel drive with this inline six, I think it'll do pretty well, because there are some people who like the new body style, and they're coming out with different colors and stuff like that. So this car will be able to, compete with that crowd that wants cars like this. Not everybody wants the, 707 6.2 liter Hemi with, supercharger on. Like, not everybody's super excited about that. So if Dodge can actually price this car correctly, I think it'll do well. I'm not gonna make this video super long, but I know a lot of people are just super against the car. I mean, me as a car guy, I mean, I'm interested in driving one. I'm just curious how quick this car is. I haven't driven an inline six vehicle yet. I haven't driven the Ram, and once this car come out, I'll drive this. And just reading, being on the forums of the people who own the RHOs, they saying the truck is fast. Saying the engine has plenty of power. So I just say stay optimistic and just keep your, open mind. I know it's going to be some people who just want to be the funny person in the comments and want to say, oh, F that car, it's not a Hemi or nothing. I mean, that's cool, but I'm saying, like, there's other people in the world. Like, not everyone wants a Hemi. That's all I'm saying. I just say get a car a chance. We got to have different versions of this car, guys. We can't just go strictly Hemi, if you want this company to survive. I mean, to most people, it's just Hemi and everything. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Everybody's entitled to their personal preference. I mean, it's no right, it's no wrong. But, for me to just come on here and just completely just, be negative about the car, I mean, I don't think that's fair. I don't think it's fair because I guess, they're trying to do whatever they can to give everybody a chance to get what they want or what they like. Um, because you got to think about it, this car's all-wheel drive and it's already pushing 500 something horsepower. A lot of people going to go for that. They really are. They may not say it in the comments or, TK's video or Butter's video, but once people actually drive that car and really feel the power and realize how fast they can really make their car, you probably start seeing a lot more of them once they actually come out. Trust me. Watch what I tell you. But, everybody want to be the Mr. Tough guy. They got to, it's got to be a Hemi or nothing. I mean, that's cool, but as a car person myself, I'm interested in seeing what other people are going to do to it. Like, I'm not going to buy one. That's just not something I will buy. But I'm interested in seeing what other folks will do to it to make it fast. Make it compete with some of these other, JDM type of cars. That's what I'm interested in seeing, me personally. But for me, at my age, I just want me a solid V8, in this car and just ride around cruising, listen to my exhaust. That's what I want. But there's going to be actually people out here who actually want to race this car. So the inline six is enticing to them. So leave your comments, guys. I'm going to keep talking and saying the same thing over and over. Y'all get what I'm saying. If you agree with me, let me know. If you disagree, that's cool too. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.